Dr. Rita Bahal. Through this video, I am going to speak about the difference between triglyceride, cholesterol, LDL and HDL. Start with triglycerides and cholesterol. Triglycerides and cholesterol both are lipids, means both are fats. Both travels in our body through the blood arteries. Both are present in the blood. LDL, HDL, VLDL and IDL. These are lipoproteins. They are the carrier of cholesterol and triglyceride. Basically, they are the transporter of triglyceride and cholesterol. They help the cholesterol and triglyceride to travel throughout the blood. If the range of triglyceride and cholesterol becomes high due to sedentary lifestyle and poor diet habit, it can lead to many dangerous diseases like cardiovascular diseases, heart problems, high blood pressures, ischemic heart disease, even myocardial infarction, which is also called strokes, and many nervous disorders also. Now comes to the basic point. What are the functions of triglycerides and cholesterol? How body uses the triglycerides and cholesterol? First, triglycerides basically used by our body as a fuel. It provides us energy. Triglyceride breaks down into glucose and fatty acid during the exercise, fasting. Then it provides energy to our cells. The leftover fatty acids get back to the liver and again converts into the triglycerides. Triglycerides are produced from the liver, but also you can get it from the eatable material like meat, oil and dairy products. Second, now comes to the function of cholesterol. Cholesterol helps in cell production. It helps in cell formation. Cholesterol also makes sex hormones. It makes estrogen and progesterone in females. It makes testosterone in males. Both in male and female, it also makes stress hormone cortisol, which plays an essential role in sympathetic nervous system. Cholesterol also makes bile. When body comes in contact with sunlight, it helps in production of vitamin D3. Finally comes to lipoprotein. Lipoproteins are basically of 5 types. First one is chylomicron. Chylomicron is extremely low density lipoprotein. It increases when we take bad quality of oil. Second one is VLDL, very low density lipoprotein. IDL, intermediate density lipoprotein. LDL, low density lipoprotein. HDL, high density lipoproteins. Now their functions are different in our body. Lipoproteins, as I already have told, these are the carrier of triglyceride and cholesterol. If I speak about LDL, the function of LDL is carrying the cholesterol from the blood to the cells. If our LDL levels get high, it means it's a dangerous sign. It can lead to many heart problems. So in order to correct the low density lipoproteins in our blood reports, we should take good quality of oils. Like we should take extra virgin oils, wood pressed oils and unsaturated oils. The oils which are trans fats and refined oils should be avoided. HDL. HDL is high density lipoprotein. HDL takes cholesterol from the cells toward the liver through the blood circulation, and in this way it reduces the concentration of cholesterol in the blood. High HDL reports in the blood indicates a good state of health. Now comes to the overview. Triglyceride is the fat made by liver but also get from the oil, meat and dairy products. It gives us energy. Cholesterol is also a fat which produced from the liver, but its function are cell formation, hormone formation, vitamin D and bile production. Now, if the person who is having rearranged lipid profile what he should do. He should take cold pressed oils, extra virgin oils, seeds and nuts. Low density lipoproteins he should try to avoid, like he should try to avoid refined oils, trans fat, packed food, preserved food and stored fat because it consists of trans fats. Next, the person should also avoid reheating of oil. It can lead to dearranged lipid profiles and finally leads to many dangerous diseases.